you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Huh? You want the pressure?
Oh yeah, whatever you got.
ZV4s. Believe it or not, ZV4s.
I thought they were like
fresh recones that are like maybe 4 days old.
Oh, you still breaking in?
Broke them in all the way from Fort Smith.
You built everything yourself?
Dustin Dowdy, you know him.
Yep.
You got him at Wake the Dead last year.
Yeah.
Dustin Dowdy built the box, single layer birch, all but Russian Baltic birch, 2 ZV5s, wired at half on an AMPERE Audio 5K, JY lithium, 80 amp an hour, Brandex 270 large pace.
Oh yeah, you got hooked up in here. They looking good too, man.
Appreciate you.
Y'all, they ain't bringing another. They had some more bills, didn't they? Like y'all had some more bills.
You want the truck on the other side of this one. You want this one too, but you want the truck on the other side of this one.
I can't remember what it was.
Marcus's Silverado.
Okay.
418s. Four XT4s. 4 XT4s on 416Ks.
Oh yeah. I remember. Yeah.
Get you some of it, go.
I gotta go see. Where you on? You on Facebook, man? Anywhere? You online and let them know where you at.
Man, I'm affiliated with Blurred Images out of Fort Smith, Arkansas. Fucking around with Dustin Dowdy, DDK.
Yeah, I be sure to give him a follow. It's good seeing you, bro. We're gonna do it again.
Appreciate
Let me go down here and check the guys out.
Yes, sir.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.